Welcome back to the channel, folks. A few minutes ago, Samsung officially launched the highly anticipated all-new Galaxy S26 Ultra, which, as you would imagine, I just cannot wait to get my hands on. And you probably already heard about all of the major upgrades. To those of you who just watched the event, and to those of you who did not, well, you could definitely replay that on YouTube. And what that also means is that this is the time to pre-order yours. So do it now. As soon as those links open, do it immediately so that you don't miss out on all of those pre-orders goodies, all of the perks that come with pre-ordering before they run out. And make sure to always do so using the links in the description. Make sure that when you click the link, you order within 30 minutes. And like I always say, if you don't like the device, just send it back. You would be fine. Send it back within 14 days. Anyways, with all of this said, let's go ahead and jump into this whole 2026 Samsung Unpacked madness. So as you just saw, Samsung is bringing its flagship lineup back with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is of course the crown jewel of the Galaxy S26 series. This is one of the most anticipated flagships of the year, of course, as we start the year here, because every single year, this particular lineup here, despite launching at the beginning of the year, is always so good that it is, consistently the fiercest contender for phone of the year at the end of the year without ever missing. Meaning almost an entire year later after it's dropped, it's almost always the phone of the year. That's just, how good this particular lineup is. Now, let's be honest, it's not supposed to be a, hyper crazy overall of this lineup here. In fact, it has the same familiar look or the same design language as what we saw previously, but Samsung has, refined the crap out of this phone here with its even rounded corners here and made some of the upgrades to be truly significant and very real. Under the hood, of course, we have Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 3 processor, which is just a powerhouse. It's always been. Every year it is the same. This particular year is no different. So it is a powerhouse. It delivers a highly improved performance and efficiency for a multitude of, things including gaming, multitasking, AI tasks, and more. And that's a big deal for, power user, content creators, like myself, and even just regular folks out there, right? I know a ton of people are going to buy this who are not necessarily power users or content creators and, just enjoy the phone to its fullness simply because the phone is just that amazing. Now, one thing that I was very curious and I'm very much looking forward to is the new privacy display feature, right? It's so freaking cool. And again, I can't wait to get my hands on this phone here and try it. It's literally, to those of you who are not aware, it's literally a hardware level tech that pretty much darkens the screen from side angles so that people can't, snoop over your shoulder and read off your screen, right? And this is huge for security-minded people who use their phones out there in the wild, right? People who use their phones at coffee shops or on planes, in flights or at work or you name it. Samsung also took AI integration to just the next level with this one here. It's loaded with new Galaxy AI tools, AI-based smarter photo editing, context-aware assistance, and even next-level AI camera features. Also, the camera hardware, along with its flagship sensors, remain the same. And at the same time, the camera module, has been redesigned. And also, the new island that you have now gives way for better low-light photography due to the now even wider apertures. And again, like I said, you should go ahead and order as soon as possible. Hit the links in the description so that you can stock up on all of those crazy deals, those insane trade-in deals that Samsung has. Use those special links that I have those special affiliate links that I have in the description to place your pre-order or to pre-order immediately so that you don't miss out on all of the pre-order perks, right? And this way you can get to experience this all new cutting edge technology. And again, as I mentioned at the beginning, if you don't like it, you can always return the device within 14 days if you do not like it. Anyways, that's all this video is about. Let me know in the comment section what you are going to be ordering, whether you're going for the Ultra or any other devices. Remember, they also have the Galaxy Buds 4. Those are the new Galaxy Buds series. I'm gonna get to test out all of those and make videos on those. Anyways, let me know in the comment section which color you are going for, because remember, they have those colors and also have exclusive colors. And again, I cannot emphasize this enough. Jump on the bandwagon right now if you are interested in purchasing this phone so that they don't run out of the, color that you like. Because remember, if you wait, the more you wait, the more it's going to be delayed. But the earlier you could get your pre-order in, the earlier you could get your phone and see if you like it. If you don't like it, return it. Let me know what any questions you may have in the comment section as well. I'm going to catch you in the comment section like I always do. I'm also going to catch you in the next video. Up until that next video, of course. As always, stay safe out there.